Hi all, welcome to TechFish Java. In previous video, we have been discussed about how can we enable the actuator for monitoring purpose of our Spring Boot microservice based applications. And in this video, we are going to demonstrate about how can we create an admin server. And admin server is basically an important. Why? Because in any microservice based applications there is a multiple microservices are there, and for each microservices basically we have to enable their own actuator endpoints, and we have to define their own management dot server dot code properties. So for suppose that in enterprise application there will be a 50 plus microservices are there, so we have to define 50 plus ports for running the actuators, and it would be a very tedious and difficult job to manage each and every actuator endpoint details and monitor each and every services by hitting 50 different ports. So it would be quite difficult for that. So to overcome this issue, basically Spring Boot admin servers is basically comes into a picture. So Spring Boot admin server is basically an application which is basically used to manage and monitor microservice applications. To basically implement this application, admin server application, basically there are two things required. The two dependencies we have to add in our project for implementing the Spring Boot admin server. Basically code centric teams provides one UI, admin UI for that to manage and monitor all the Spring Boot actuator endpoints. So let's just start to create these services. For that I'm just taking a new project, new Spring Boot project, and I'm giving a name as, what I would say, admin server application. Okay, I'm giving this, and here let me see if port centric is coming or not. If it is not coming, I will add okay, yeah, it's coming. So port centric Spring Boot admin, so I have to add this, and let me just enter this. Okay, so our admin server is there, it's importing the files. Let's just import finished, then we will start the coding part and see that how we can enable it for this. Okay, so let me just quickly open this and resolve the home error by adding this plugin. Okay, add this. Fine. Now here, if we can see, there is a dependency added. One dependency added is basically the code centric and admin server. There is a one more dependency we have to add it basically to enable the admin server UI. So I'm going to add that, which I forgot while creating that project. So that is basically Spring Boot admin server UI. Okay. Why it is given error? Okay, did not able to import that. Okay. Let me just try again. Or I'll remove this. Let me see how it will work. Okay. So now, okay, we have home.xml, we have this. Now I am going to open this main class, and here basically what we have to do, we have to enable our admin server. So I'm going to use one annotation called enable not coming loading. Okay. We have enabled this, and then we have to define the port in here. Let me just what I will do. I am commenting out this and commenting out also. I guess I have used it. Just this opening application.property file over here. Now I have to define the server.port, so I'm defining server.port equal to 8091. Okay. So this is the port I have defined for this, and that's it. And let me just try to do one more thing. Let me just check quickly. Here dependencies are added. Okay, now let me just try to run this code. Okay. 8091 port is running now. Right. Let me try to do http://host:8091. Okay, so here you can see this is basically a springboot admin UI, and if you can go here, you can see that there is no application is running. Why not running? Because no application is basically registered with this admin server. So in next video we will see that how can we register any application with the springboot admin server, so that actually we are going to create one springboot admin server, admin client basically, to register that. So we are going to be, I guess, existing services we are using for that to add that, and most probably we are using for whatever the previous videos we have created for Actuator. So that service I'll do some changes in that and do the register over here, and see that whatever we have seen in Actuator by Actuator endpoint, we will see directly here that all the things are there, and for that application. So that's it for this video. In next video we will see that admin client related things. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification for the upcoming videos. Thank you.